Hello. In this video, we want to let f of x equal 2 square roots of x, and then we want to find f prime of x. Awesome. So let's go ahead and just start out with finding f prime of x. The derivative, f prime of x, is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x, and then all over h. Awesome. Now, to do this, we need to replace f of x with what it is. Sorry, f of x plus h with what it is. So this is going to give me the limit as h goes to 0 of, and we're just going to replace the x's here with x plus h. That's all that's going to happen. So that's 2 square root of x plus h, and then subtract off the original function of 2 square roots of x. So minus 2 square root of x. Then all over h. Awesome. Now what we can do is we can multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the numerator. So if we have a minus, we need to multiply by a positive. So just rewrite the numerator just with a positive instead of a negative. But if we multiply the numerator by that, we need to multiply the denominator by that. Awesome. Now remember that a plus b, a minus b, is a squared minus b squared. So that's going to give us the limit as h goes to 0 of, now square everything here. 2 squared is 4, and then square root of this squared is just this. So 4 and then parentheses x plus h. Then subtract off, because it's a minus from that, square this. 2 squared is 4, and square root of x squared is just x. Then all over h times 2 square root of x plus h plus 2 square root of x. Awesome. We can distribute the 4. And this gives us the limit as h goes to 0 of 4x plus 4h, and then minus 4x. And all of that, oh, sorry, my back hurts. All of that over h. Times 2 square roots of x plus h, and then plus 2 square root of x. Awesome. Now notice that the 4x's cancel. So that gives us the limit as h goes to 0 of 4h, and then all over h times 2 square root of x plus h plus 2 square root of x. And now the h's just cancel each other. And that leaves us with the limit as h goes to 0 of 4, then all over 2 square root of x plus h, and then plus 2 square root of x. Awesome. And at this point, notice that we can just plug in the 0 for the h. So 2 square root of x plus 2 square root of x is just 4 square root of x. So this gives us 4 over 4 square root of x. But 4 over 4 is just 1, so that's just 1 over the square root of x. So there you go. And that is f prime of x. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. Let me go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.